Hello everybody, today I will show you how to fix volume keeps muting automatically on Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Go to Windows search bar, type Device Manager, click and open it, expand audio inputs and outputs, right click on speaker device, click on update driver, click on browse my computer for drivers, click on let me pick from the list, select the driver and click on next. After that, restart your computer. Method 2. Go to Windows search bar, type cmd, right click run as administrator, copy the command from description and paste it, click enter and then click on advanced, click on apply, check repairs automatically option and then click on next, click on apply this fix, click on next, restart your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching.